Hey guys, welcome back to Tinker Engineering, and today we are going to play a game called Payday.
So we're going to be trying something new where we're playing games, and you guys can see how fun it is or how boring it is to play these certain games. I'm Francis.
And this is Oliver.
And we're Tinker Engineering. And we're Tinker Engineering. I'm Francis.
And this is Oliver.
And we're playing Payday. Okay,
Let's
so
open up the box.
yeah, we're just going to open it. So it comes with a board. We have some money, some mail cards over here, and this helps you figure out the savings and loan, so you don't have to do it yourself. Really great thing that they have here. So we're just going to be pulling out the board and setting up the board for you guys.
Okay. Next, we are going to set up the money. Francis is going to be the banker.
Yeah, I'm going to set up the money, and then Oliver's going to set up all the mail cards and these deal cards right here. You guys can see that. Some deal cards. So, then we're going to choose our tokens. I'm going to be the blue one, and
I'm going to be the red one.
Okay. And we're going to take the die out, and that's pretty much all we need for now. So we can set that aside. Why is there a 10 and a 20? Wait. Okay, I was like, why did the 10s start before the 20s? But it wasn't even a 10. Yeah, never mind. Whatever, who cares?
Can I go first?
Sure. Okay, so where are we going to put our money? You can put your money over here, and I'll put my money...
Right here.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll put my money right there.
Okay. So, I'm going to go first. First goes right there.
Oh, yeah. Oops. So basically, we're going to roll, and then we're going to move that amount of spaces, and then based on the space we get to do something special.
Okay. One.
Okay, so that means since it has a 1 and a mailbox, that means he gets 1 piece of mail. So go get your mail. And the mail can be bills. They can be good or they can be bad. They can be insurance deals. They can be like free money. It can be a lot of different things.
I have to pay a bill. $100.
So the thing about this is that way you can...
First we have to start out with money.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, where's the instruction box?
Put that money back. Put that bank card back. We didn't even see that there were instructions in here. If I saw the instructions, then I would have known that we need instructions. So, and then we also have these bank cards. We can, we can store money in the bank and get loans and whatever. So, now we can set this aside. Then, okay, so.
But first we hit the pen.
Okay, each player gets 325.
Yeah,
Wait, hold on. Okay, so we're going to play 2 months of this. I'm just reading through the instructions. And 20, 25. All right, now we have our money finally, okay, and we now know what we're going to do. So he's going to roll. Let's go. One, get your piece of mail.
Ooh, car insurance.
So car insurance, basically, if he gets any car bills, he can just put them right back. And he only has to pay $200 for this. So are you going to buy it?
Yes.
Okay, so $200 to the bank. All right, my turn. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang it. Okay, so I got weekend company. So that means I have to pay $50 to the bank. My turn. 1. Inheritance from long lost aunt. Collect $500. Give me $500.
Gimme.
Okay, my turn. 5. Why am I getting all the high numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Piece of mail.
Another piece of mail.
Dang it, I have a bill. Okay, so the bills work. You don't have to pay the bills till the end of the month. So I'm gonna save this in case I get auto insurance.
My turn. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Surprise, boys! Collect $100.
Woo! $100 to you!
Okay, go.
Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Buyer. Okay, so that would work good if I had a deal. So these are the deal cards. So if you land on deal, you get to pick a deal card. You can buy it and then you can sell it. But I don't have a deal card, so what's the point of that?
Okay, my turn. 1. Buyer.
But
Buyer.
he doesn't have a deal. That's the thing about buyer. But it's still really fun. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, another buyer. If I had a lot of stuff, I could sell that real quick.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Deal! Oh, no.
How many deal cards do we get?
Just one. Pick one.
Used sports car. Cost $800. Value 12. Actually, I can't buy that. Commission $80.
So commission works like we all get to roll the die, and then whoever has the highest roll gets $80 from the bank.
Yeah.
But he can't buy that car, so we have to put it back.
Under.
My turn. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6. Town election. All players contribute $50 to the pot below. So this is the pot right here, so everyone has to put in $50. 1, 2. There you go.
So whoever rolls 6, they get to have that money.
Yes.
Wait, Francis, what's this stuff for?
Okay, so this is basically for savings and loan. So you can get loans if you run out of money, so you could have gotten a loan for that. And you can save your money, like if you have too much. You can save it.
Ooh, I want to save $500.
I wouldn't suggest saving it.
Why?
Because it's the very beginning of the game, and save it when you have a lot of money.
Okay, I will.
Okay, so let's set that over there.
Okay, my turn.
And yeah.
No, it's your turn.
No, I just did the...
Oh, yeah, my turn. So, 1, 2. Buyer.
Oh, if he bought that, he could have sold it. But it's not like you had enough money to buy it, so it doesn't matter. 2. 1, 2. Sweet Sunday. I don't have to do anything. Woo!
6.
Oh,
1,
you
2,
got the money.
3, 4, 5, 6. Home repairs, you pay 50.
Oh, you
only
lose
get
$50. He lost $50.
There,
He lost
go.
$50. 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so payday. I landed on payday. Is there anything special if you land on payday?
Payday means, no. Where's,
Wait.
it's just, you just get that money.
Okay, so I get 325.
25.
Wait, if you don't land on it, do you miss that?
No, you still get it.
Oh, okay.
It's just,
1, 2,
and you have to pay your
3,
bills
2,
before you get that money.
5. Ugh. 25. Okay. There you go. Wow. At least I have almost $600.
My turn.
I have 500. 5. Not that many, but 5.
1, 2. 2
2 pieces of mail. Yay!
I get a bill.
Oh my gosh.
for-
$500 bill. He has a $500 bill.
Okay, and I got car insurance.
What? He already has.
Car
Wait,
insurance.
you already have car insurance.
Yeah, I know. But that's
the
why I'm not
heck?
going to buy it.
6. Okay, so does that count as a space?
No.
Okay.
It doesn't, 'cause it says-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Weekend company again. Like weekend company again. Really? Do I really want weekend company? You're not invited to my house anymore, Oliver.
This. 2. 1, 2. Town election. Everybody must put $50 into the pot.
I'm gonna roll a 6.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Fire. I didn't say I was gonna roll on 6 on that turn though.
But I got some.
No!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I get that money. Now I have to pay my bills. I don't have any bills.
And you get 325.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's a condo for $1,500.
You're totally
I don't even have that money. Like I have $400. Like 425, but yeah, I'm not spending it on that.
Okay,
At least I haven't gotten any bills.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ha! Now you get weekend company.
Mm.
Ha! Now you know how annoying it is. I'm surprised it's only $50 though.
I know.
At least it's not 100. No! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't really like Sweet Sunday. It's kind of annoying because you don't get to do anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 mailbox card. Dent and scratch auto. Pay bill $50.
Oh my gosh.
No.
He's saved $150 on this so far. Well, no, he still has because he paid $200, but no one cares. Whatever.
Might be more.
1.
1 mailbox.
No! I don't have health insurance.
You have to pay.
I have to pay $150 for a stitch. Or something. Yeah, okay. It's your turn.
2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deal!
Quick food franchise.
Franchise. I don't even know
700
what that is.
bucks. 700 bucks. You don't even have it.
Nope. Can't buy that.
Wait, do you have 600?
No, I only have 500.
Oh. Okay.
Ugh. Go.
6! Dang it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, you messed me up. 6. Sweet Sunday again? That's not fair. He gets all these bills.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fire. Fire. Go.
He didn't get a fire. He didn't get a fire. 1.
I got a
Lottery draw? Wait, what does that mean?
That means in this pile it says if you
Oh.
have lottery draw.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah, I
there's this
don't-
card in this pile. Like if you
Your
have
turn.
that card, then when you land on it, then you get like $50 or $100. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Wait,
What?
that's not really good for me, though.
Town election. Everyone put 50 in the pot. Go.
Oh, yes. $100 in my pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm only doing 2 months.
We can do a third month. It's fine. Okay. Okay, so 325.
Stop right there.
What?
Yeah.
I want to keep going.
No, you can't.
Okay, 1. Whatever.
Do you have any
325.
bills? You have bills.
Oh, yeah, $150.
You
Ugh.
can use that money for it.
Okay, I won't. 150. There, Mr. Boyder MD guy. Take
He's your
that.
dentist. He's your dentist.
No, I don't think he's my dentist. He gave me stitches.
Well, he's your dentist. Dentist
No,
gives
he's
you
not.
stitches.
No, he's not.
I don't
He's
know.
not my dentist.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No fire, no fire, no fire.
Okay, go.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh!
Why do I always get weekend come? So, Oliver, you can collect your 375 after you pay your bills, which you don't have any. 25. And then, since he just finished the month, now we're just going to count up all our money, and whoever has more wins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. 7, 20, 40, 60, 70, 70.
Oh no, I think he won.
Hold on, can you help me?
70 plus 50. 120.
120. So that's 120, 700, 120 plus 700.
Dang it! I have $600.
And I think I have 706. I think.
He won. So that was pretty fun, even though I lost. It was a good game. I would totally suggest you guys try it. If you guys have it and you haven't played yet, why haven't you played it yet? And also, it's like a perfect thing to do with your family during this time where we can't really go anywhere. So, super fun. Thumbs up.
Make sure you like and subscribe to Tinker Engineering. So, bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye. Stay safe and wash your hands.